Now that I finished the shirt, and if you didn't see that, go check the previous video, let's make a choker. It's gonna be super simple, but really cool. I'm gonna use more of this rainbowy fabric and this like clasp, I don't know what it's called. It's gonna sit like this and just go around my neck like that. Should be easy. First, I need to measure how big my neck is. 35, 36. We'll do 36-ish centimeters. Because working in inches is too hard. I don't like it. I've already cut the piece that I want because I'm ahead of myself. Oh yeah, making sure it fits, and I want to fold it over. Time to sew. I'm sewing with the pretty side inside, and then I'm gonna flip it inside out. I cannot cut or sew in straight lines, so I had to review this a couple times. And then we cut off the edges, and now we turn it inside out. Oh yeah. And then we do the ironing to make it flat. Now we put the fabric through the clasp. Didn't struggle a lot. That's okay. I didn't even measure the width of the fabric. I just kind of started making the width like it was, and it fit perfectly. Ta-da! It looks so good. And now I finished it off by hand sewing the edges together. I have to be very careful to make sure the needle doesn't go through the other side, like completely through. I did a pretty good job, if I say so myself. I might add something in the center of this to make it more interesting. We'll see, but I like it.